Today I will teach you the noun. Noun. Naming words are called noun. Naming words of a person, place, animal, and thing are called noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, and a thing. Person, for example, Jack. Jack is a name of a person. The next is place. Example is Paris. Paris is a name of a city. Place. The next is animal. Cat. Cat is a name of an animal. Thing. The example of a thing is pencil. Pencil is a name of a thing. Repeat with me. Noun is a name of person, place, animal, or a thing. Now I will tell you how to make this caterpillar. Take 5 color pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of different colors. Take a circle shaped lid and make a circle. First of all, fold the colored page and then make a circle. Place the lid on its one side and draw a circle. Let's draw a circle. You just notice that I will never cut this corner. It will remain the same. Now take a scissor and start cutting the circle. We will draw the circle on all the colored pages in the same way, and then we will cut it like this. Try to cut very neat and clean so that it shapes like a circle. And when you finish it, you can see that I will open it and then it becomes like this. Take it on the side. Now take the yellow colored page, fold it equally, and then draw the circle in the same way so that the edge of the paper remains the same. Now cut the yellow circle in the same way. Next, draw the circle on green colored page and cut it. Then draw the circle on the peach color paper and cut it. And the next color is blue. It is the last color. Draw and cut the circle. We have 5 circles. Now take a marker and draw the border lines on all the circles. It looks like very neat and beautiful. Now take a red colored marker and write noun on the outer side, and in inner side we write naming words are called noun. Now write the person on the outer side, and inner side we will write the name of a person, Jack. Next we will write place on the outer side, and inner side we write Paris. Paris is my favorite city. Next we will write animal on the outer side and cat on the inner side. The last one is thing, and we will write pencil as a thing. Now it is completed. Now take a white chart paper and paste it like this. Paste the glue on the back side of the paper and paste it like this, one by one. We will paste noun, then person, then place, then animal, and at last thing. Now make the eyes of the caterpillar and then make its feet. It is beautifully done.